Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Subaru Forester. This one is the premium trim, ice silver metallic over black. Total price of $29,940 and option package 15. Very nice cloth material. This features 2.5 liter boxer 4-cylinder, mated to a CVT transmission. No turbo on this Forester, although you can get one with a turbo. All right, stepping inside, very nice place to be, especially for a non-fully loaded one. No, super nice vehicle, especially for under 30 grand. Two main, well, there's actually a couple different drive modes. There's ESC off, there's normal, X mode, and then you also have intelligent and sport. We'll be driving it in sport. Backup camera, good quality. We'll go for a drive while that guy's doing circles. CVT is actually not a bad transmission choice for this vehicle. Not normally a fan of CVTs, but as long as they're tuned well and they imitate gears, I am pretty okay with them. Ow, I should have slowed down a little bit more. Visibility is actually very good. Overall comfort, very comfortable vehicle. Seats are extremely supportive. I definitely like these seats a lot. Throttle response is nice and not touch sensitive. Throttle response is very good. Very linear power band, but you get a lot of power up top as well. It's a very nice driving car. I've driven the XT Forester a few times. Very fun to drive. Definitely like the extra power. It's not necessary, but I drive a 500 horsepower car, so I like having that additional torque down low. CVT, though, does a good job with this NA25 to the point where it's not sluggish beyond expectations. Over potholes, suspension deals with them. You just kind of feel them. You don't really have to endure them as you would in high performance cars. Brake pedal is actually really easy to modulate. One of the better brake pedals I've used. I love this thing. It's not a bad SUV at all. It kind of competes with your Equinox, Ford Edge in a way. And it fits right there. Price point wise, this is bang on, if not a little bit cheaper than the competition. Oh, of course there is. All day I've been going in that entrance because I didn't think there was another entrance, and sure enough, there is. Actually, I can go ahead here, demonstrate X mode, where it's actually going to use the hill descent control. To hold speed. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.